I set out to do this, I did not expect to have to cut anything. A couple days ago, we tried to remove the back seat inside Didi, and we ran into some issues. So we decided to try to cut off the bolt. It's been a few days. Last time we didn't have our proper, so we're already plus. Like, we tried to drill the bolt out, and we got through we got through most of this head, but we just got to keep drilling it till it that head breaks. And last time we just ran out of battery and light, so we got it. It came off. What up, world? It's BK here, and in this video we're going to remove the seats in this 2007 Toyota Yaris. So to remove the back seat, you're going to have to take off like 4-ish bolts. You have one here, and then you have one there. These are 14 millimeter. After those 2 bolts, you have 2 more underneath the seat. So one of the big reasons why we have this bed here is because Gigi lays on it, and underneath here it's very, like, this metal can't feel good. So you take off this little cover thing that shows where your spare tire is, and then these little pieces here. There's supposed to be a plastic tab here that twists and unlocks. Mine's broken, as you can see. Oh, what's this? Emergency pocketbook. Cool, probably need that. So this is a Star E10. Large breaker bar. So, oh, that's turning it. I hope this doesn't break off. Please, come on. Nope, we lost it. Underneath the seat, there are plastic clips that hold it in. And my least favorite thing is proprietary plastic clips. Anyways, you have to pull up and press in on the tabs, and then it will release. Oh, we got it. Alright, one side down. Use the small one to pop up the front side, the small one. And then we're going to use the big one to pop up the back side. So that's the strat. Oh, we did it. Please don't be any more clips. Please be no more clips. Ooh, that's nasty down here. Shattered glass. Okay, let's see what's happening here. looks like we got some sockets, 1/4. A couple more here. It's all glassed up. It's terrible. Glad we found it. Oh, we're 10 cents cheaper on the car. There's actually quite a bit of monies there. Quarters and stuff. I ain't touching that. Not right now. Okay, so left on the removal, we need to remove these E10s. This one scares me. So we're just gonna blast it. Meanwhile, let's take out this one. Oh, it's turning it. Now we should just be able to push this out. Decent weight reduction for the extra MPGs. Congratulations, now you know how to remove a back seat from a Toyota Yaris or any other car. Turns out it's not that great.